In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Notion CRM with Google Ads to streamline your lead management process. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to automatically transfer leads from your Google Ads directly into your Notion CRM, making it a seamless integration that saves you time and increases your efficiency. To get started, we'll first need to choose and set up an integration tool. There are several great options available for connecting different apps, but the key is to pick one that's compatible with both Notion and Google Ads. Some popular choices among users include Zapier, Integromat, and Automate.io. Once you've selected your tool, go through its setup process. This often involves creating an account and linking your Google Ads and Notion accounts. Most of these tools offer straightforward instructions to guide you through this initial setup, so follow those steps carefully. Complete this stage by granting the necessary permissions for the tool to access your accounts, ensuring a secure and uninterrupted connection. Next, let's move on to configuring the Google Ads trigger. This trigger will be the event that initiates the entire automation process. Log into your chosen integration tool and find the option to set up a new automation or Zap. You'll want to select Google Ads as your trigger app. Specifically, you should look for a trigger related to new leads or form submissions since we're focusing on lead management. By specifying this, you're telling the tool to activate the workflow every time a new lead comes in through your Google Ads. With the trigger in place, the next step is to define the automation workflow. This is where you'll outline exactly what happens after a lead is captured. In most integration tools, you'll need to add steps or actions following the trigger. Here, you'll select Notion as the app you want the data to flow into. Decide how you want your CRM to be updated. Do you want to create a new page in a specific database each time a new lead comes in? Maybe you'd like to update an existing record. Clarifying this will help you establish the workflow that aligns with your business needs. Finally, let's map the data fields from your Google Ads into Notion. Data mapping is crucial as it determines how the information is transferred correctly. This involves aligning the fields from Google Ads with those in Notion. For example, you might map a lead's name, email, and phone number from Google Ads directly into corresponding fields in your Notion database. Take your time to ensure each field is mapped correctly, as this prevents data loss or misrepresentation. There you have it, a seamless way to connect your Notion CRM with Google Ads. Once everything is set up and tested, you'll experience enhanced coordination, allowing you to focus on engaging with your leads instead of managing them manually. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more productivity tips and tech integrations.